Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and locating the speaker so you act on the correct device. Check your OS version, Windows 10/11 or Mac OS, and note the build. Open Device Manager or System Report and find the speaker entry. This ensures driver compatibility. Once done, create a system restore point on Windows or a time machine snapshot on Mac OS so you can revert if anything fails. Make sure you have administrative rights and a stable internet connection before moving to the download step. Next, obtain the correct driver and perform the install. Download from the speaker or motherboard manufacturer matching the exact model and OS build. Avoid unsigned or generic packages. On Windows, right-click the device in Device Manager, choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer or search automatically. Use Manual Browse if you have the downloaded file. On Mac OS, run the signed installer or use Apple Software Update and follow prompts. After installation, reboot when prompted to ensure the new driver initializes properly. Finally, verify functionality and resolve any issues. Open Sound Settings and select the updated speaker as the default playback device, then test with several apps and a range of volumes to confirm stability. If you encounter distortion or missing features, roll back the driver via Device Manager or restore your time machine snapshot. Only update BIOS or firmware if the conflict persists and the vendor recommends it. Follow vendor steps precisely. If problems continue, contact manufacturer support with logs and driver version details for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.